Humanity's fascination with youth is as old as storytelling itself. In the Epic of Gilgamesh, written more than 4,000 years ago, the hero is told of a magical plant that can restore lost youth. The tale reflects a timeless hope that aging could be undone. But ancient myths also carried warnings. The Greek legend of Tithonus describes a mortal granted eternal life without eternal youth, doomed to grow older forever, eventually begging for death. These two myths, one of renewal, the other of endless decline, still echo in how we view aging today. For most of history, medicine has fought battles against disease, not aging. Life expectancy rose thanks to clean water, vaccines and antibiotics, but these advances only stretched the average lifespan, not the maximum. People live longer, but the upper ceiling of human life remains untouched. As Fossil notes, extending years without extending health risks, creating modern Tithonuses, lives that are longer but not better. The central question then is whether aging itself can be changed. Fossil argues yes. He rejects the idea of aging as wear and tear. Unlike a machine, the human body is self-repairing. Cells replace themselves. Tissues heal. Aging, he insists, is not passive decay, but an active biological process, one that may be reversible. At the heart of this process are telomeres, the protective caps on the ends of chromosomes. Each time a cell divides, telomeres shorten, acting like a countdown timer. When they become too short, the cell stops dividing and enters senescence. This is the molecular clock of aging. In the late 20th century, scientists showed that telomerase, an enzyme that lengthens telomeres, can reset this clock, restoring youthful function to cells. This discovery suggests that aging may be far more malleable than once thought. The parallel to germ theory is striking. Just as identifying microbes reshaped medicine in the 19th century, identifying cellular mechanisms of aging may reshape it in the 21st. Fossil argues that the future of medicine lies not in better managing Alzheimer's or heart disease after they appear, but in resetting the cellular processes that allow these diseases to emerge in the first place. The promise is extraordinary. Reversing aging could mean not just more years, but more healthy years, decades free from frailty, dementia and decline. But the questions are as profound as the possibilities. How do we intervene safely? How do we ensure access for all? And what does it mean, philosophically, to alter something once thought inevitable? The myths of Gilgamesh and Tithonus remind us that the dream of youth has always carried both hope and fear. Today, science brings that dream closer to reality. The challenge ahead is to make sure our story follows Gilgamesh's path of renewal, not Tithonus's curse of endless decay.